Are you looking for the best electronic deadbolts? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electronic deadbolts on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Eufy Security Smart Lock C33. The Eufy Smart Lock offers a range of features designed for your convenience and security. With a battery life of up to 8 months, you can enjoy reliable performance without frequent replacements. The Smart Lock uses self-learning AI to enhance fingerprint recognition, ensuring quick and accurate access every time. You can control the lock from anywhere thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to manage access and receive notifications through the Eufy Security app. Installation is a breeze, taking only about 15 minutes without the need for drilling, making it perfect for any homeowner. What we like: easy installation, strong build quality, seamless app integration, fingerprint and code access, auto lock feature. Number 2. Kwikset Powerbolt 250 Keypad Deadbolt. The Kwikset Powerbolt 250 lock offers a convenient keyless entry system, allowing you to lock and unlock your door without fumbling for keys. You can easily manage up to 25 user codes, ensuring that family and friends can access your home securely. The auto lock feature provides peace of mind by automatically securing your door after a set time, which can be adjusted to fit your routine. Additionally, if someone tries to enter an incorrect code multiple times, the intrusion alert will sound, deterring potential tampering and keeping your home safer. What we like: easy installation, responsive buttons, temporary codes feature, key backup option, good battery life. Number 3. Yamiry Keypad Smart Door Lock. The Yamiry Smart Door Lock offers enhanced security with its durable aluminum construction, preventing potential tampering. It's designed for convenience, easily fitting most standard American doors and requiring just a screwdriver for installation. With full app control, you can manage up to 50 passwords and fingerprints, making it simple to provide access to family or friends. Plus, the multiple unlocking methods, like using an app, fingerprint, or key fob, give you flexibility and ease of use, ensuring you can enter your home in various ways. What we like: high security materials, easy installation, remote access via app, multiple unlocking options. Number 4. Nice DIGI Keypad Door Lock with Handle. The Nice DIGI keyless lock offers a convenient keyless entry system, allowing you to set up to 20 unique access codes for family and friends, plus temporary codes for visitors, so you never have to worry about lost keys. It includes 2 physical backup keys for emergencies. Before buying, you should check your door's thickness and hole size to ensure the lock fits perfectly. Installation is quick and easy, taking about 5 minutes with just a screwdriver, and it works on both left and right-handed doors without extra drilling. The lock also features a backlit keypad, making it easy to use at night, and includes low battery alerts, silent mode, and a water-resistant design for added durability. What we like: multiple access codes, easy 5-minute installation, backlit keypad for night use, water-resistant design, emergency physical keys. Number 5. Eufy Smart Lock C33. The Eufy C33 Smart Lock offers quick and easy access with its advanced fingerprint sensor built into the handle, allowing you and your family to unlock the door effortlessly. Thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi, you can control the lock remotely from anywhere using the app, giving you peace of mind with real-time alerts and the ability to manage who can enter. Powered by 8 AA batteries, it ensures consistent and reliable operation without frequent replacements. Plus, the lock installs quickly in about 15 minutes without any drilling, fitting both left and right-handed doors, making it a convenient choice for various entryways around your home. What we like: fingerprint recognition, remote app control, battery powered, easy installation, left/right door compatible.